We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your transfer belt, and I'm working with an Okidata MC363. So first thing you want to do is lift your hatch up, this top one. You want to make sure you hear it click, because if you do, then you know it's in the locking position, it won't fall down on you. Then you want to press this button on the left hand side. Pop this guy up. See these blue little levers here? You want to pull those up, and then this is going to be your drum unit. You want to gently pull that up and out. It is a little heavy. Then down underneath the drum is going to be your transfer belt. So with your transfer belt, you want to be very, very careful with it. Any nicks or fingerprints on it will cause defects in your print jobs. So there's two little blue tabs over here. You want to unlock these tabs, then use them as loopholes to put your fingers in and to pull the transfer belt out. I've noticed it's easier to do it at about a 45-degree angle when you insert it and take it out, and just makes it easier for it to lock into place. So you take it out, get your new one, make sure not to touch any of that black stuff. You can touch the bottom or this white part right here, but do not touch this. Then you just insert it at about a 45-degree angle. Then you would lock it back into place. If your locks are not locking easily, then it is not in the correct position, so you might want to reinsert it. Then you grab your drum. These arrows here, make sure to match these up with the arrows in the printer. Arrow to arrow will help the guides. And then you stick it in there. Shut your hatch. Shut your top hatch. Then your printer should initialize. Once it initializes, you should be good to go. If you guys are in need of any supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.